Consideration of underprivileged people. Underprivileged people are those people who are not as well off as we are. This does not only mean wealth and clothes, it also means people who have physical and/or mental problems. Allah has made everybody for a special reason. He has made some people big, some small, some white, some black, some healthy, some sick. All different types. If we are lucky enough to be perfectly healthy, we should not be proud because our body was not made by us. It has been made by Allah, and so we should thank Allah. The Prophet, peace be upon him, has said, "All of you are from Adam, and Adam was from dust." We should remember that we are made only from dust and are privileged if our body is healthy. However, if our body is not perfect, we should still not complain, because there are many other people with even more problems than ourselves. We should always help those people who are not as fortunate as ourselves in whatever way we can, and never ever tease them. If we do this, we are being considerate. If not, then we are being very unkind and thoughtless. The secret of being considerate is to pretend you were the other person and try to see how life would be through his/her eyes. At the end of the day, it is not good enough just thinking about the underprivileged. We should do something to help them. There are many different ways of helping people. If a person is poor, we could help them by giving them some financial help. Perhaps we could help pay for someone's education or help provide food to a family that needed that kind of help. There are people in need of other kinds of help. Some are disabled in some way. They might not be able to do things as easily as we can. They don't need money, but they need friendship and consideration. We should not laugh at these people or make fun of them, but should go out of our way to be friendly with them and to make them feel that they are one of us and not different. Then there are people who are not very sure of themselves and make mistakes often. Instead of laughing at them, we should help them and encourage them. When they make a mistake, instead of teasing them, we could tell them how to improve. It could be that all they need are some true friends to help them. In conclusion, there are different ways we should help people. We should donate money whenever possible to those that are less privileged in wealth. We should try to help people that are sick and could use our help.